can rip, because we're going to have lunch 1 o'clock, see if we can rip through a couple of easy ones. And this is where... oh, sorry. Yeah. Yes, I'm moving, resetting standing orders, and Pauline is seconding them. All those in favour? Aye, against, thank you, that's carried. So now Alex coming up to do the Wheelie bin Latch trial in a matter of seconds. Is that, but as John started to get up and say something.
It's done.
Happy to move? We've got a move and a seconder. Mark, Sam, whatever you want, just pick some. Okay.
We'll put it to the vote.
All of those in favour of number 11? Aye. Against? Thank you, that's carried. Thank you, Alex, that's brilliant. Okay, and we'll lash out and do,
Miriam.
number 13.